How to get Spotify Premium for free with AppSkeen. My honest test. Hey guys, if you love music but hate paying for subscriptions, I've got something interesting to share. I recently heard about a website called AppSkeen that claims you can get Spotify Premium for free. Curious, I decided to test it out myself. In this video, I'll walk you through the process, show you my results, and share everything you need to know before you try it. What is AppSkeen? First, let's talk about what AppSkeen is. It's a website that offers rewards for completing simple tasks, like trying out apps, and in exchange, you can get things like Spotify Premium subscriptions. But is it really as easy as it sounds? My step-by-step test. Here's how I tested AppSkeen step by step. I searched for AppSkeen in my browser and went to their website. Then I used the search bar to find Spotify. When I saw it pop up, I clicked on the download button. AppSkeen then asked me to download another app and use it for a couple of minutes. It was a simple task that only took a few minutes of my time. Did it work? After completing the task, I opened my Spotify account, and guess what? It actually worked. I got access to Spotify Premium features like ad-free streaming, higher audio quality, and offline downloads. Everything worked smoothly, and I couldn't believe it at first. Here's what I think about AppSkeen. Pros: quick and simple task completion, free access to Spotify Premium, perks. Cons: results can vary depending on location and offers available. Make sure to protect your personal information. Always use websites you trust. So can AppSkeen really help you get Spotify Premium for free? In my experience, it worked perfectly, but results can differ for others. If you've tried AppSkeen or any similar platform, let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and keep enjoying your music.